Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Because like, comment and subscribe is free. So that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I will tell you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Ethereum is Bitcoin-based software platform that can be used for selling at a country following globally with its native cryptocurrency. Ether without any third-party interference, but it can also do much more than that. Frisch proficient in 2013 by Russian-Canadian computer programmer Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum was designed to expand the unity of cryptocurrency by allowing developers to create their own special application unlike traditional apps. This Ethereum-based application called a decentralized application or DEX are self-executing thanks to the use of smart contracts. Smart contracts are code-based programs that are stored on the Ethereum blockchain and automatically carry out self-certain function when prudent terminates. Conditions are met. That can be anything from sending uh, a transaction when a straight event takes place or lending fund on collateral is deposited into a designated wallet. The smart contract from the basis of all that built on Ethereum, as well as all other that created across other blockchain platform Ether Freeze. In August 2014, Ethereum launched its native token, Ether an intentional coin offering. Some for 50 million ETH were sold at a price of $0.31 per coin, raising over $60 million for the project. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Ether cryptocurrency has an unbounded supply, meaning there is no limit to how many Ether calculate. According to the project's official website, the announced inflation rate of Ether is both 4 and 5%. Block rewards have been reduced to 10%. The phrase ever Ether Black was mean. That block is now as the Genesis block. The reduction in blocks rewards are programmed into Ethereum code like Bitcoin, helping FR instead members of the community purpose change called Ethereum improvement professional are ethics and the rest of the community focus on. So, decentralized applications are that are self-executing thanks to the use of smart contracts. Okay, this may be just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I always talking you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Well, See you.